Interesting because you can see the mining going on, you can hear things happening right there. But what's really cool about that is that we're actually manipulating the mining. So we can figure out what coin to mine for the day.
Oh.
And we tell the system to mine that coin.
That sounds good.
Never been done before.
Wow.
Never. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Let me show you some more. Oh, by the way, that aircraft wing, that's a real wing from an airplane. The real wing from an airplane. We took the skin off to make the bar, and this is what we made of the skin of the plane. So this is real aircraft metal, real aircraft aluminum, as you can see. Don't pay attention to those. Those we'll get later. So this part, we're going to actually put a glass wall here. Not a door in it, a glass wall to separate our trading area so people just can't walk in and see what's going on. Plus, we don't want to disturb these guys when people are we're educating people in the lounge area. Okay? Because it's an education center and lounge.
Okay.
Okay? So a glass wall goes here. Then you come into our actual trading area. They're not just trading, but they're using the robots right now. They're using and analyzing everything. This is live, what's going on right now around the world.
In the market.
Yeah, the market. So this is what's going on around the world. You can see these guys are actually working right now. The servers are outside our office because we keep our servers in a different location for security reasons. Okay? And then behind you is one of our monitors. This beautiful young lady, she monitors what's going on with the website, and she helps us with KYC, things like that. Then over here, we have Oleg and Arthur. Depending on who's wearing the white chair or the black chair, it was a good guy or bad guy for the day. Good guy and bad guy. Good guy and bad guy. Good cop, bad cop. No, but what they do is they analyze and they oversee the actual robots and the actual trading that's going on every single minute, every day, 7 days a week. Then over here, we have a Google break room. Some ladies. This is our entertainment for later. Okay. And you'll step this way. This is do not film this room.
This is a no video room?
No video room, no video going on here. But I want to show you what's going on, just not on video. Okay? This is our IT development and programming.